So hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to explain you about that is the Dogri UPSC mains Dogri language paper 2 syllabus. What is the syllabus you have to study for the exam, Dogri language exam UPSC? I will explain. So section A in that poetry that you have to study is Azadi Pahle the Dogri Kavita. The following poets Devadita, Lakhu, Gangaram, Ramdan, Hardat, Pahari, Gandhi, Baba, Kanchi Ram, and Parmanand Almast. And modern Dogri poetry in that Azadi Badi Dogri Kavita. And the following poets that is Krishan Smailpuri, Tara Smailpuri, Mohanlal Sapolia, Yash Sharma, K.S. Madhukar, Padma Sachdev, Jitendra Udampuri, Charan Singh, and Prakash Premi. Then, third is Sheraza, Dogri number 102, Gazalank. The following poets that is Ramlal Sharma, Vedpal Deep, Hendi Jamwal, Shivram Deep, Ashwini Magotra, and Virendra Kesar. Shiraza Dogri number 147 Ghazal Ank. The following poets Orange Shastri, Jitendra Udampuri, Champa Sharma, and Darshan Darshi. Then Ramayana epic by Shambhunath Sharma up to Ayodhya Kand. Veer Gulab Kand Kavya by Dino Bhai Pant. Then in section B, in this prose, Ajakani Dogri Kahani, the following short story writers Madan Mohan Sharma, Narendra Kajuria, and B.P. Sate. Ajakani Dogri Kahani Part 2, in that the following short story writers Vedrahi, Narasingh Dev Jamwal, Om Goswami, Chhatrapal, Lalit Magotra, Chaman Arora, and Ratan Kesar. Katha Kunj Bhag 2, the following story writers of Om Vidyati, Champa Sharma, and Krishan Sharma. Meel Patthar, collection of short stories by Bandhu Sharma. Kaidi novel by Deshbandhu Dogra Nutan. Nangaruk novel by O.P. Sharma Sarathi. Nayan drama by Mohan Singh. Satrang, a collection of one-act plays. The following play writes like Vishwanath Kajuria, Ramnath Shastri, Jitendra Sharma, Lalit Magotra, and Madan Mohan Sharma. Dogri Lalit Nibandh. The following authors Vishwanath Kajuria, Narayan Mishra, Balkrishna Shastri, Shivnath, Shyamlal Sharma, Lakshmi Narayan, D.C. Prashant, Ved Ghai, Kunwar Yogi. So this is the syllabus of that is the UPSC Dogri paper 2 syllabus. So if this video was helpful, please give a like and also share my video with your friends. So okay friends, I'll see you in the next video. Then take care. Have a nice day. Bye my dear friends.